Have you ever realized that the most expensive screen in your house is completely blind? For years, Apple has poured billions of dollars into making your phone, your tablet, and your laptop incredibly smart. They even built a futuristic headset for your face. But while all that excitement was happening, one device was completely left behind. It sat in the dark under your television, quietly collecting dust. That device is the Apple TV. It became the forgotten black box of the Apple ecosystem. Many of us started to wonder if Apple even cared about the living room anymore. While competitors launched super cheap streaming sticks and lightning-fast boxes, Apple stayed completely silent. But that long silence is officially over. Behind the scenes, Apple has been working on a massive comeback. This is not just a minor upgrade. It is shaping up to be the biggest leap forward in the history of the product. Apple is ready to pull the Apple TV out of the shadows and put it right back into the spotlight. So, why is this sudden shift happening right now? The answer comes down to two words: Apple Intelligence. Right now, Apple is pushing artificial intelligence into every single corner of its ecosystem. They want AI on your phone, your tablet, and your computer. But they hit a massive roadblock in the living room. The current Apple TV simply cannot run these new features. It uses the old A15 Bionic chip. It handles 4K streaming perfectly and loads apps quickly, but it is just too old now. It lacks the neural processing power to handle local AI tasks, and it does not have enough unified memory to run Apple's new language models. This creates a very embarrassing problem. Imagine a world where your phone understands your entire life, but the box connected to your main television screen is completely blind. Apple knows this looks terrible. They cannot build a truly connected smart home if the central hub is living in the past. To fix this, Apple has to upgrade the brain of the Apple TV. Reports indicate they are planning a monumental hardware leap by placing the A17 Pro chip inside the next Apple TV. This means we are skipping multiple generations of processors in a single move. The A17 Pro is built on a cutting-edge architecture that focuses heavily on efficiency and raw graphical power. Putting this chip into a TV box completely changes the game. A streaming box does not have to worry about battery life because it plugs directly into the wall. This means Apple can let the A17 Pro run at its absolute maximum potential without any restrictions. The most important upgrade here is the neural engine. It allows the Apple TV to process complex AI commands right on the device, opening the door for features that were completely impossible before. The way you interact with your television will completely change, especially through Siri. Let's be honest, Siri on Apple TV has been frustrating for a very long time. It can find a movie if you speak perfectly, but it fails at complex tasks. The new AI-powered Siri will bring much smarter voice controls. You will no longer need to remember specific movie titles. Instead, you can talk to your TV completely naturally. You can say something like, "Find that action movie where the main actor rides a motorcycle through a desert, but only show the ones available on my subscriptions." The AI will understand the context, search your apps, and give you the exact result instantly. You will be able to control your entire smart home from your couch without even pausing your show. Your voice will do all the heavy lifting, eliminating the friction of clicking buttons on an annoying on-screen keyboard. The timing of this hardware upgrade is not a coincidence. Apple's Worldwide Developers Conference is approaching, and it will focus almost entirely on massive AI upgrades. But Apple faces a major dilemma. They cannot stand on a stage and show developers a beautiful AI-powered future for the living room if they do not have the hardware to support it. They need an AI-ready TV box available immediately so developers can actually build and test next-generation apps. Because of this timeline, the new Apple TV looks almost guaranteed for a summer arrival. In my opinion, this is exactly what the Apple TV needed to become relevant again. For years, it was hard to justify the high price tag when cheap streaming sticks could do the exact same job of opening Netflix or YouTube. But by turning it into a hyper-smart AI be in a legitimate entry-level gaming console, Apple is finally giving consumers a real reason to buy one. It bridges the gap between your mobile devices and your living room perfectly. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.